I was literally just astounded. I called my mum straight away and she was so proud of me. And it was probably one of the biggest achievements that I've had in life. I'm so proud of how far I've come. This course has genuinely helped me so much, and wanting this to be my future and my career, doing so well really helps me see that I have a future and I'm gonna pursue so well in life, and my other subjects, doing so well in them. It's seeing that I really do have a good future ahead of me.
The first time I was told that she was nominated and then became a finalist, I was as proud as punch. They're my children, they're all my kids, and I was so proud of Jess.
Doing business services as well as my nursing course has been such a help, because knowing in my future I'm going to use all the skills from business so many times.
I've been teaching vet for a very long time, and I've only seen probably a handful of students with the same passion as Jessica has. It shows that she's just compassionate, she likes vet, she's going to go far.
My teachers in this course, so Colleen, she's helped me so much. I don't think I would be where I am today without her. As well as my business teacher Rob, he has gave me so much knowledge towards business and how it can help me in my future career, and it's honestly just amazing.
It just fills my heart with joy. I just love it. I just cannot express how much Jess has made me proud.
I think starting a vet course young is amazing. It definitely gives you a head start in your career. So having vet as a start is so good. You have so many opportunities, so many careers. Your teachers help you get opportunities that you never thought you'd get, and it's honestly just amazing.